Otherwise. Otherwise can function as adverb, adjective, conjunction.
Let's make it easier.
It connects and contrasts two clauses. Meanings: in a different way or manner, in different circumstances, if not, on the contrary.
Examples: you have to study more, otherwise, you will fail the exam. I wanted to go, but my mother decided otherwise.
I am really busy, otherwise, I would accept your invitation. I know my accent says otherwise, but I was born in China.
We must hurry up, otherwise, we will be late.
She has always been really polite. I can't say otherwise. He says he is innocent, but I believe otherwise. Read the instructions first, otherwise you can get hurt.
The rain spoiled the otherwise perfect afternoon.
Even if you don't know the answer, you'd better pretend otherwise.
This is Grammar Avenue.